Tekton 3/4 inch impact socket set up to 2 inch. Maybe not. I got this set not too long ago. I've barely used it. Really barely used it. 1, 2, 3. 3 sockets out of the set have been used. One has been used, maybe 2 or 3 bolts. One socket's been used, maybe 4 or 6 bolts. And the other one's taken out maybe a dozen. Okay? So, let's get right into this. I'm not going to tell you how good the ratchet is, because I pretty much don't use ratchets when it comes to 3/4 inch. If I do, I use my Easy Red. When it comes to 3/4 inch impacts, it goes on the impact. That's pretty much how I work. Now, let's get right down to it. That is an unused socket right there. You see the little reliefs. And I understand it's to take the pressure off the corners of the impact off the drive. That socket's taken out like 4 bolts. That socket's done about 2. That socket's done about a dozen. That socket's done none. Seems like an awful lot of wear for a limited amount of use. That's 1 7/16 inches. And it just kind of got me, you know. I didn't expect to see that much wear in that little bit of time. I mean, they're chrome vanadium, 1 7/16 inches stamped on it, which I like. I like the stamps. There's the laser etching that does not last long, but as you can see, this socket isn't even scratched up. But boy, does that show wear already. And if you laid the socket down sideways, you'd swear it was never used. Like I said, this one's only done like 2. And you can actually tell the direction that I was using it on. You can see the hammer mark. Let's go to this one. Like I said, that's very limited use. Very. I'll leave that one up to you guys. Just I don't think they're built very heavily. I mean, for a 2-inch socket, that's really not that substantial. Time will tell, but I don't think I'm going to like the outcome. Like I said, that's pretty excessive wear right off the start. So, alright everybody, there's your Tekton 3/4 inch impact shallow sockets, up to 2 inch.